Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new here, my name is Jessie and I am a married stay-at-home mom of 2 teenagers, a boy and a girl, and I am also a pug mama. I have a little pug named Sammy and he is my little shadow and likes to follow me around as I do everything. I have recently come to the realization that I am an extremely efficient cleaner. I have been trying to get and make longer videos for you guys, but every time I try, my videos end up less than 10 minutes. I just clean extremely fast because I've been doing this for a really long time and I know how to manage my time. So cleaning every room in this particular video only took me an hour and 20 minutes. So yeah, I don't know what I can do aside from like power washing the outside of my house to get a longer video, unless I slow down a lot. And why would I want to be a slow cleaner? I want to get things done. I am trying out this Mrs. Meyer's cream cleanser, baking soda cream cleanser on my stove, and I really like it. I'm going to keep using it and see how good it is with the upkeep of my stove. It is new, so I'm going to try and keep it as new and clean as possible.
I would cry, oh,
So I am going to put this out there in the world. I am painting my piano this weekend. I've been putting it off because it's going to be a massive job, but I'm tired of the dark black hole that it is in my living room. I am just tired of looking at it and I want it to be fresh and new, and yep, I'm doing it this weekend. Next time you see a cleaning video, that piano will be painted a pretty soft white.
Then I would cry.
Leave a comment below if you change up your tablescapes with the seasons or the holidays. I do both. I like to change mine up often because I kind of get bored and I like change.
Don't you
So vacuuming the stairs is part of my kids' chores, but for this video I wanted to make sure that I got all the carpets vacuumed. I love the carpet lines that this carpet makes. This carpet is only a couple years old and I got to pick it out myself, and I don't know, I just love how plush it is. So my kids are responsible for their own bathroom, so I was just in there to make sure that they're doing their job and to wipe down the counters and the mirrors off. Just basically give it a little bit of a clean. I love using the Method wood cleaner. It smells so good. I don't know what it is about the scent, but it smells clean. I recently set myself up a little productivity workstation in my bedroom, and I get so much work done here. I absolutely love it, and I love that I get to display all my Rae Dunn, and I don't know, I'm just so happy with my little setup. So my husband and I recently came to the realization that we need 2 separate blankets. So I have a king size, he has a king size, no one fights over the blankets, no one gets cold, it's amazing, and yeah, it is the best thing ever. So I am so happy we decided to do that.
If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and leave a comment with your favorite emoji. I make videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and I make a Rae Dunn series on Sundays.